Wow, 50,000 Uber, Lyft, and Ola drivers are going on strike. This might be the biggest strike in history of rideshare. Oh my gosh. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and thank you, yes, thank you for coming by. How are you today? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. No, seriously, this is the Rideshare Hub, a place for Uber and Lyft drivers, as well as anybody interested in the gig economy. That includes rideshare and food delivery, to come together to learn how to make more money and also to talk about different things going on in the news in rideshare. So in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down exactly what's going on and why this is maybe the biggest strike in history to ever go down in rideshare. 50,000 drivers are going on strike tomorrow. So whenever you're watching this video, yes, it could be going on indefinitely. And this is one of the biggest strikes because drivers are not just striking for an hour, 2 hours, or a day. They're striking until these companies change the rates, increase pay, because it's not worth it for these drivers in this specific area who are going on strike. So before I get into the video, if you guys have not yet downloaded the GetUpside app, it is an app that pays you to fill up gas. I know it's crazy, it sounds too good to be true, but I have been making some really cool extra money with it. I can just show you really quick. I earn money every single time I go to fill up gas. I can open up my app here. It's called GetUpside. It looks like this. I'm gonna leave my link in the description. Use the link in the description to sign up. As you can see, guys, I've already made $74 just by getting cash back on my fill-ups. And you get 15 cents back per gallon, not per fill-up, but per gallon. 15 cents. So I have a 15-gallon tank. That's 15 cents per gallon. You can do the math on that you will get back if you use my code. So anyways, download the GetUpside app and get your cash back on gas, baby, because who doesn't use gas? Tesla owners. Who else doesn't use gas? Electric vehicle owners. But who does use gas? Probably you watching, or anybody who drives a gas-powered car. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, here we have it here. All right, so let's go into Uber driver strike. Sorry, I gotta pull it up really quickly. I'm a little bit behind. Here we go, guys. 50,000 Ola Uber drivers set to go on strike in Telangana, seeking safety. Ola Uber drivers have sent a notice to cab-hailing companies about their concerns. The drivers have demanded taxi drivers' welfare board to go negotiate issues. The group of drivers have also demanded hike in payout from Ola Uber. If you don't know Ola is basically Uber in other countries. As Telangana State Road Transport TSRTC, employees are preparing to go on strike on October 19th. That's today. Oh shoot, that's today. Sorry, I got that wrong. That's today. Over 50,000 Ola and Uber employees have taken the opportunity to highlight their grievances by backing the statewide protest. Oh, so even employees too. The drivers demand a hike in their pay from the current payout of INR 12 to INR 22. What is that? That's probably their currency. Let's see how much dollars that is in USD. Sorry, my camera died, so I have to finish this on my phone. But people in tons of countries are striking. People in the UK, in Mexico, in tons of countries. Australia, mate. Australia protests, mate. Shrimp on the barbie protest, mate. As you can see here, the report also just suggests that in the can you guys read that there? This report also suggests that in the last year, Ola and Uber prices have nationally rising by 10 to 15%. Oh, that's pretty good. However, the incentives given to the drivers have registered a 30% dip. Oh no, 30% dip. Earlier in March, 150 drivers working for Ola had protested. Blah blah blah. Yeah, okay. So let's read another one. Let's read business line. Telangana braces for October 19 band. Cab drivers to join RTC strike. RTC. Blah blah blah. Telangana braces for a ban on what is banned? I don't know. About 50,000 Ola and Uber drivers, too, are joining the strike with their own set of demands that include a better share in fares, blah, blah, blah. Basically, guys, there is a huge strike going on, and it has gotten out of hand at this point. I mean, sorry, my camera died, so I need to film it like this. But basically, it is absolutely asinine at this point because drivers are going on strike, and honestly, it shouldn't be at this point. I mean, it's maybe call it a protest, whatever, but it should not get to the point where drivers are actually going on strike, because that means drivers are not happy. And at the end of the day, if a happy driver means a happy passenger, and a happy passenger means a happy company. And with all this negativity, it's just not good. And so this why you guys might see that in California, the government wanted to step in to make drivers employees just so things like this could not happen. So it is pretty nuts. It is pretty insane. I just wanted to get this out there for you, but I also want to hear your guys' story. Do you go on strike? Have you striked against? Have you protested against any of the? Have you striked against Rideshare, Uber, Lyft, Ola, Via? What else? Maybe you Trip. Maybe you protested against Trip. Does anybody know anything going on with Trip? I haven't heard about them in ages. I heard they were supposed to launch in 3 years ago, but I guess they pushed back to next year. So I think they're launching in 5 years, guys. Keep waiting for Trip. They're coming soon, coming in hot. If you guys don't know, Trip is basically a rideshare company that said they were going to launch about a year ago, and they keep pushing back the date month by month. So we'll see if they ever do launch. But regardless, guys, there's a new company out called, what's it called? Verbo or something in San Francisco. Zero, I think. So if you guys know anything about Zero, let me know. I think they're launching. But anyways, I just thought this was super interesting. I don't know what you guys are feeling about this scruffy scruff that I got going on. I can't really grow out a beard, so this is all I really am working with. I mean, this is like 2 or 3 days, but I could kind of keep it going for a few more weeks. Oh, could you imagine? Should I just do it for the channel? Guys, if this video gets to 100 likes, I will keep growing this out for a week. So 100 likes and I won't shave for a week. And I'll see what you guys think. But honestly, I am... yeah. I just want to show you guys. It's really nice outside. I want to show you this little view that I got. Guys, look at all these plants, guys. Make sure to get plants in your backyard, okay? It's really good for oxygen. Can you see that? There's the ocean right there. That's my little tiny ocean view. Wow, look at that, guys. Kashmir. Isn't it beautiful out today? Plants. Plant game on fleek. This is no fake stuff, guys. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts down below on this whole 50,000 driver strike. It is pretty crazy to me to even think about that. 50,000 people. That's a huge stadium. It's going to be going on strike. It's going to be nuts. I will update you guys on maybe tomorrow. Maybe we'll get some live footage as well. Maybe we can't even get some live footage. Let's see on YouTube. Let's go on really quickly. See, you know, this is a little hack you guys got right here. Watch. Telangana strike. Go like this and then go to let's do today. Oh, this is 6 hours ago. All right, I gotta mute it so I don't get copyright. In the biggest protest since the employees of the Telangana strike, blah, blah, blah. I just want some live footage. Look at this, guys. Whoa. Whoa, dude, that is so much people. Let's hear it.
In the state with the Road Transport Corporation buses in place completely off the road right now, and you don't have any of those buses plying even with the drivers and conductors, which was happening in the last last 2 weeks, in fact, with the Ola and Uber also staying off the road. 50,000 taxis are off the road, and therefore for people, especially coming in from the airport or the railway station, it's going to be a huge issue. Right now, the Congress as well as the BJP holding separate protest demonstrations. They are being arrested as and when they are appearing in public. Right now you can see the state BJP chief, Mr. Lakshman, Dr. Lakshman, and other leaders here at the Amidst circle. I have with me the BJP state chief, sir. This ban that's been called.
It's crazy, guys.
What is it going to achieve?
You guys listening?
With the chief minister not really coming to the negotiation table, what is the way forward?
This should be an eye-opener to the chief minister. Even after intervention of High Court, the government is not coming for any dialogue. It's like autocratic monarchy rule. What is going on? And BJP is for democratic setup. We want every issue to be resolved at the table. People are now put to heavy hardships due to the strike of RTCs, and common man is also affected. And even the government
Sorry, my
has
hands getting tired.
Education institution till the month end. What does it mean? Government
Said till the 21st.
That's crazy, guys. You guys heard it here first. 50,000 drivers on strike in Telangana. That's absolutely crazy. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a good day, guys.
has at least reviewed the situation, ongoing situation, and CBS has no time to review the situation in the state.
Are you also representing to the Prime Minister and the Home Minister? The governor had gone and given a report.
Already we have represented the governor twice and